Cool. Hey, listen here. No, I can't come at you guys so aggressive like that. Hey, what's up? Beautiful 360 booth directors and photo booth operators. These lights behind me that you guys are seeing right now, these are the LED lights that I use for my 360 booth presentation. I use these lights to light up the situation because we know how important lighting is, and that's exactly what I'm covering today. But here's something that I just upgraded. Let me go ahead and show you. So, as you guys can see right over here, I have this brand new quick release plate swivel, and right over here, I have my old standard one right here. Now, the problem that I was having with this one, and this is the one that the lights, the tripods come with, is that this was sagging like this, and it'll sag and sometimes it'll tip forward and fall. And no matter how hard I was squeezing right here, this right here was still loose. And so what I ended up doing was I ended up adjusting the little screw that goes in here, and then I try to squeeze this as tight as possible, and that still wasn't doing it because right now, as you guys can see, it's here. I can give you a better angle. Right now, this is as tight as possible, but it'll still sag like this. You see, it's still mobility. There's still mobility to it. So I said, man, it's time to upgrade, but I don't want to continue buying these over and over again. So now that I've been using a camera DSLR, I've been looking more into camera equipment. So I'm getting more familiar in that sense. And so now, and I bought a few of these, and I'm gonna go ahead and break this down for you. Now this shit is pimped out. So this right here is super stable and strong, and I can loosen that right there. And now I can be like, stop right there at 300 Dave. I'll go ahead and stop that right there. Now it won't spin, right? Next thing I have is this quick release plate, but before I show you that, I'm gonna show you the back of it right here. This is how the back looks. These are the knobs that I have available right there. So this knob is for the lower portion. This knob is to release this really quick, and the way it works is I just loosen this up like this, and then I'll just pull this out just like that. And so this plate stays on, and you screw this plate on. I'm gonna go and give you a quick demonstration in a few seconds. But so I can go and charge this up, and when I bring it back, all I have to do is slide it in just like that, and then just tighten it, and I'm done. It's quick, it's that fast. Now the cool part about this is this right here, this knob in the back allows me to rotate this however I want. Now this I love because if I want it at this angle, and I always make my lights angle down a little bit, I could angle like this, and I don't have to worry about this sagging or falling, because this right here is super heavy duty, my friend. Okay, so this is what I'm rolling with now, and it even has, I know exactly what you call that. It's kind of like a leveler, so I can move this up like that, and just to make sure that it's right in the middle, I can use this leveler right here, and I'll show you guys how that leveler looks like. You can see it right there. It comes with the cool leveler. So how does that look like? Well, when it's fresh out the box, it's gonna look a little something like this. All right, so what you wanna do is you wanna loosen this up and grab this quick release plate. This will normally go on your camera, but I'm not using it for a camera. I'm using it for our LED lights as photo booth owners. And then I get I'm skipping a step, right? I'll grab this, in the back there's a ring like this. So I'll grab this ring, and then I'll get this right in the middle here, and I'll spin it, and then when it gets a little tighter, I'll center it and continue to spin it until it gets nice and tight. Now it's nice and tight. Now all I have to do is grab this and slide this in like so, like that, and then just tighten it. And as I'm tightening it up, you'll see that this right here is starting to close. And once it closes, well, this is locked in already, and it's not going anywhere, baby. So I like this quick release plate because it allows me to assemble things much faster. Just a small little feature I wanted to share with you guys, and hope that it helps with your setup. And if your little swivels are, getting, this is exactly what I mean, are getting old like this, then it's time for you to upgrade. And when you upgrade, you guys want to make sure you guys upgrade to something that's going to last you for a few years. And this is why I ended up spending close to $25 for this swivel along with this quick release plate. It's a little combo that comes together. So not only does it look pimped out, but it's also very reliable. I hope this video helps. I'm gonna put the link in the description box below so you don't have to go on Amazon and look all over the place for it. There's one thing that I forgot to mention. When you guys buy your tripods, let's see if I can show you guys here. There you go, that's good. When you guys buy your tripods from Amazon, make sure that they have this little screw right here. Because if this chrome piece gets a little loose, you can tie in this screw right here and you'll be fine. However, with the cheapy ones, and I'll show you a cheapy one here so you guys can know exactly what I'm talking about. When you guys buy the cheapy ones, it doesn't have a screw here. What they ended up doing was they got a clamp and then squeezed this metal inside. So you see that? There's just no way I can secure this in place again or tighten it because there's no screw. So when you guys are buying these tripods, in fact, I'll put the link for that specific tripod over there, the one with the screw. I'll put in the description box below, because if this ever happens, then all you have to do is just tighten the screw and you won't have to deal with this wobbly motion. Because, you know, now that I've done a lot of one-on-ones, I get people from different states, and there's states that it's extremely windy, and if your tripods are not very stable, they're gonna get knocked right over. So this video went on way longer than I expected, but I hope it helps. See you guys in the next one. Good luck on your next event, baby. Peace. Fresh.